Welcome to the June 2025 Hero Studio Cling Stamp of the Month called Seaside Stripe. Let's take a look at this month's product. This month's background stamp is a 6x6 red rubber cling stamp featuring a bold stripe pattern with thick lines and thin lines. The repeating design adds instant energy to any project and is perfect for everything from nautical themes to modern graphic looks. Use it tone on tone for subtle texture, or go big and bold with high contrast colors. Let's make a card together using this month's stamp. First, place your stamp inside of your stamping platform so that the lines are running vertically straight up and down. Next, place an A2 size piece of deluxe smooth white cardstock into the center on top of your stamp. Add low tack tape to the top and bottom in order to hold your piece of paper when you pick it up with your top plate. Use a variety of inks for stamping. I have chosen Pink Grapefruit, Arctic, Paradise, and Summer Sky. Starting with Pink Grapefruit, stamp the two large lines that are the second and third from the right-hand side, as well as the thinner double line. Once you have inked your stamp, use a wet towel to wipe off any excess ink that went where you don't want it to go. You also could use masking tape. Now stamp your piece of paper down onto the stamp. Be sure to apply good solid pressure. Lift your plate and you'll see you have the start of some beautiful stripes. You can double stamp this if you want it to be darker. Repeat your steps for Arctic, Paradise, and Summer Sky. Then choose a large graphic sentiment stamp. I'm using Summer from the June Whole Studio bonus, and I'm using a sub-sentiment State of Mind. Ink your stamps using intensified black ink. Flip your plate and stamp the stamp down onto some deluxe smooth white cardstock. To build up that solid black, you can always stamp a second time. And now you have a nice bold sentiment. Die cut your sentiments using the coordinating dies. Then cut 3 small summer dies. I have a crab that I'll die cut from Chiffon, a seashell from Seaside, and sunglasses from Breeze. I'm also going to cut the sunglasses from black so that I can get the lenses to inset. These small dies are from the June 2025 card kit of the month, and I'll cut them twice. Then cut your background using the 4th from largest infinity die, add foam tape to the back, and adhere your piece to the center of an A2 sized card base. Add foam tape to your sentiment and adhere it in the center. Add foam tape to the back of your sub-sentiment and adhere it over the center of your large sentiment. Add foam tape to your small die cuts and adhere them along the top and bottom of your card, and you're done. You have a cute summertime card to send to someone you care about. Thank you for joining. We can't wait to see your creations.